Shoutout guys. Merinda tayo. Siupaw. Apat na. Kain tayo. Shoutout all of you guys. And of course, I want to say thank you for always watching my video, even screencast, and even in my live. Shoutout all of you guys. And thank you so much guys for the love and support always. Ayan, kukuha lang tayo ng pang-upload. Love you guys. Kain tayo. Ang lamig pa rin dito. Promise, super lamig pa rin. Dito tayo sa ang ating favorite na tambayan kapag tayo medyo nabuboard. So, ito yung ating tambayan. Love sa inyo guys. Thank you so much for the love and support always. Thank you. Kain, it's a Siupaw and it's an Ovaltine. Love.